Turn or not?
Pues nos hacemos un selfie, ¿no?
Yeah. I don't know how to open it. I haven't opened. Maybe it's a test cup. Have you tried?
I tried a bit.
No?
No.
I thought it's para
I hate you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Today as well? Okay.
Can we take your photo?
I think it's there.
Oh, it's here.
Manu. Sophia. Happy birthday. Is it taking? No? Okay. Oh, you're just filming everything?
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
No, you can keep it. I already take my content.
Okay.
Can we take your photo?
I think it's there.
Oh, it's here.
What is your name?
Manu.
Manu and Sophia.
Sophia.
Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday.
Cumpleaños, pe. Feel like, what am I now? 56 kilos.
What? You're 56?
Yes.
Who's going to the gay bar this way?
Let's go.
But this is so cool. I love it.
Boom, 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 boom.
What? Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room.
This fucking Asian. This fucking Asian.
Green, green. Up. Picture. I want you in my room. Let's take the night together. Boom, boom, boom.
Hoy yo no quiero fumar regular. Como un gusto me lo sentí espectacular. Cuando se le va y yo me tatúo para especular. Y joderme por todas las cosas que tengo en el celular. Hoy se sale, ni que haya de nada vale. Para mujeres como tú es que dicen que todos los hombres somos iguales. Ella me conoce con mis señales. Yo me conozco con males. Por esto el cuadro yo saco para la calle con 2 millones normales.
This is not a very nice angle to do in a video.
So, cheers. 5 pages. have 15 minutes. Ikaw mag-buy for me?
Sige.
Really happy.
Dili ang good ang view. Está bien. Está bien. Está
No, ya está, he pedido. Hemos pedido.
Okay.
But then,
Make an effort and speak Spanish.
it was...
Sí, claro.
We entered, so it was cultural.
También necesitas hablar en español.
Por supuesto, porque esto es extranjero.
Ah, es extranjero. Pero él es el hombre del mundo.
Pero alemán. Hablando alemán. No, no.
Claro. Doy la carta ahora.
Salud!
Salud.
To the European dream.
Everyone.
To the European dream.
Look everyone there. Okay, and then you have to tap again.
Oh yeah.
have to go in a circle.
What is this?
Adentro, afuera,
Pade.
Ayaw nang mag-CPT.
Can you make sure the
With all of his physique and everything.
because of his arms.
His arms is very like long.
I am headed there. Yeah, I'm headed.
Sure ka?
Yes.
Can we go back and take a picture now?
It's very warm.
What is happening?
Take a picture in the...
What is this? Okay. This beer is. We have.
Wala man. I don't know.
Nice.
Gana ba?
Maraming salamat sa pa-skewers.
Tikman mo muna.
Quite far still to get to the city center by train.
But the gelato culture in Italy is so strong. Like, it's open and
Hace tiempo que voló sin despedirse de mí, pero Marta ya no dice nada, porque nada más le puedo decir. Si llevo mis pinturas de colores me dejo plantada en este mundo raro.
Say hi to Charm. We're on a rush. Look at that fancy car.
The ticket.
Oh yeah, it's at the back. Life is good first, arguments next.
Okay. We're almost there anyway.
Yes, exactly.
We're going there.
No, but you can't see this
Okay.
view from there.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Perfect. Thank you for driving. As always.
An der zweiten Ausfahrt verlassen. Jetzt den Kreisverkehr verlassen und danach
China.
den Kreisverkehr an der zweiten
Um,
Ausfahrt verlassen.
What do you want?
This address is not the address we're going.
Oh yeah.
Jetzt den Kreisverkehr
Oh.
verlassen und danach
China.
den Kreisverkehr an der zweiten
Um,
Ausfahrt verlassen.
What do you want?
This address is not the address we're going.
Oh yeah.
Término municipal de Chulilla. Can you see?
¿Dónde? What?
It's easy.
I know.
Poor child.
At that hill.
Will you send it to him?
I will.
Including the poor child.
Yes. I can start with it.
No, I think you need part of the serene music. So is that the crack? There.
Yeah. And there's also here.
Oh, that one?
I lost it.
Oh, we have to arrive in 10 minutes. Qualifying at 3 p.m.
I don't know. 2:30, no? Yesterday it was like 2:30.
Oh, is it sprint? All right.
Oh yeah, well, it was.
Huh?
Yesterday was. Oh no, it's Saturday.
Normal, right? So it's Saturday qualifying. Or it's Saturday sprint. Sorry, I'm ruining your video.
No pasa nada.
It's too
No one
live.
gets to this part of the video when I post like a long
Sure
one.
they do. Anybody who comes to this part of the video, please send please
Send an
react-
orange.
React with an orange.
With an orange. That would be interesting.
Do you get your stats from as a content creator of who's skipping through and who's-
Yeah, I know I can't see that. That's GDPR. Well, actually not really because, well, tell me in the comments if it's GDPR. Oh, this is where they park for.
No, this is, I think, just hiking.
hiking. But okay, we can check out
De nuevo.
because you said that maybe for the right hikes we may need to drive a bit.
I think this is the...
They're taking a chair to the hike. Chulilla, look, view. It was very cute from there. Okay, now the navigation stops, Sheena.
Okay, it's still in.
Are you going? Okay.
Magnifique.
Is it happy?
Yes, because it's not complaining yet. With a turn left. Is this one way? Alright.
Just that car is also moving, so. How did I go through that? I just need to be closer to your side, that's all.
How about I flip the window? The window,
No, it's good. I'm next to it. Oops. That's close. Is B-boy socializing or what?
Oh my god, the wall, why is it there?
Where does it turn? Okay. Yeah, that was a difficult part.
That was it.
Position the car. I thought I was closer to that.
Yes,
Let's see.
it took up.
Wait for it. Our rooms have the view at the back. I think the view at the back is the church.
So nice. Sige, you go there.
Kamu na pa eh. But 5:30 naman dahil.
Nice looking.
There, yeah, if you can put it back to...
Kong.
Yeah, where is the water? Blue water? Although I've never went there. But I saw the pictures.
Exactly.
We've only put that.
So cool. So cool.
Of Russell and Hamilton.
Okay, it's round
Can
one.
George Russell find his way in a super tight battle?
Fish head soup?
You want?
No.
Any improvement to get pace? But what about Hamilton? He is behind George Russell. Norris.
Oh,
and
no,
his
it's McLaren,
teammate
Mercedes,
Piastri, Russell and his
Ferrari,
teammate
Red Bull.
Hamilton, Sainz and his teammate
Williams.
Leclerc, Perez, who has now qualified Max Verstappen all season long,
this is
is the
not
lead
the
Red
best.
Bull.
Is this cinematic?
Yes.
It's done.
Salud! Chulilla. Oopsies. On the ways. Ayun.
Yeah, this is a good road. If I drive fast enough, can I jump across or?
Sure.
Time for the hairpin. There's rocks everywhere.
These are private hunting grounds.
Yeah, I saw something. Whoa. Oh wow. Are we sure the rest of the world is still alive? Because we haven't seen a soul.
That is good.
This is already worth it just for the route.
So if we drove straight earlier, we would have made it to the crag anyway.
Oh, you think we would have just ended up here?
Yeah. And never look back. Wow. Okay, that's nice.
Why is there also a stop sign there?
all standing here waiting for you, Manu.
Okay.
He likes to be watched. Yeah. Take it off.
So this is a different town, no?
Yeah, Bess, we're climbing. Yeah?
Fine. I was just saying it. I see no holes, Tina. This is supposed to be the easy side.
Where is the beginning?
This one right here.
Ooh. And we can swim! Excuse me lang ga.
Ikaw mag-base ako.
Oo.
So I think probably there was one more move at the end to have it stable. Like I was like, yeah,
Ang agay. Ang sangit.
Look ah, share's on a video.
Entrar en la rotonda y coge la salida tercera en Avenida 9 de Octubre.
No. But it's really
What are you guys talking about?
Eating iguana eggs.
That's the only thing he'll bring for next podcast. And also like we have this.
Noted?
There, ito.
Oh, there.